last regular week. For next week, exams na naman.
Date lang! Bakit may facial expression ka?
Model na eh!
Oh my God! Date lang kasi! Piti ka cancel kita!
So, what are we doing today? We have a presentation coming up, and after that, we have like a fashion show. Yes, Victoria's Secret modeling. What gate? What gate? What gate?
Gate to Lacson.
Buy one PTV.
Hi vlog, today, look at this guys, we are preparing, yes, we are preparing for our gate presentation at sana po hindi kami matawa, please!
Pipikat na ako.
Hi vlog. Nari ka mag-i-FC ka. Hi Bart. Hi Nico. Hello. Hi Charlie. Hi Bob.
Video.
Hey! Alden Richards! So back to my channel. So today we're gonna go to Canada.
Hi guys.
Medyo may problema siya ngayon.
Do I look like problematic to you?
You're problematic.
I don't wanna laugh.
My gate? My gate out! Hi Ninya.
Is that yours?
Hi Chris. Kay Ann. Vlog turnover.
Bakit ako okay? Ano gate mo? My gate is hemiplegic gate. Sapa!
So,
Picture mo naman yung owner.
si Earth Angel. Kinilig oh, kinilig.
I'm Alta.
Where's Baha? There's Baha.
He's over there.
He's busy guys.
So ako sa inyo, exit ko na yan. Huwag nyo napanood.
Pero kung gusto nyo makita mukha ko, itong poging mukhang to, huwag nyo i-exit. Mag-subscribe kayo. So,
YouTube channel mo, pre.
minsan kasi pogi ako dito, tapos pag pinost ng pangit na eh.
Hi, sir. What do we have here?
What do we have?
Oh, what's on
Miss, can you stop taking...
Ano ka sa vlog ni Ange? What do we have here?
Basta,
Okay, we're now going to
this. Sige, go. It's like
Prepare.
6 seconds.
later na to, vlog na to.
Look at our set.
What's our team?
2,000. Look at my classmates, guys.
Ayasa! Where's
Look at
your
this.
partner?
Who are you today?
Who are you today?
Parang Rico yan? Rico yan? Do you like Rico yan?
Yes, I do, because I'm Claudine.
Really? There's Rico yan.
Okay, guys, so look at the runway. Vlog take over.
Look at the runway.
This is us.
This is after.
This is after what?
Can you see kita?
This is after our...
Take a photo.
After our...
outfit natin eh.
Good. The G presentation. Hi guys, we're officially done.
We're done!
Yes. Yes, labo. May pag-patient ka. Meron. May pag-patient tayo.
Ano ba? Gusto mo? Ano ginawa yun?
Inalog ko lang yung ulo mo. Kasi may gusto kang sabihin. Di ba na may love you pa?
Please for na lang ang bag ko.
Hi guys. Ulit naman kami. This is our last day. And danas na naman kami. It's currently 10:01 a.m. We have a presentation today. 1 quiz sa LEC and 1 quiz sa lab. And wala akong aral sa lab, so alay na lang yung lab. And, ayun. So, yes. Are you okay, Nina?
Go with the day, please.
Christina Yang. Guys, I need a lobotomy at this point. Study with us, guys. I can't even. Tingin mo sa GC? Ha? Patingin? Ah! Oh my God. Isa pa! Isa pa! 1, 2, 3, go!
We just finished our exercise prescription.
Each test targets muscle groups also using external. Hi guys!
Hi guys! Deadma sa X mode.
Deadma.
Pinagalitan kami lahat.
Deadma.
Hindi kami pinag-report.
Jellyfish. Hi vlog! What are your thoughts for today's last day?
X-Mod was not good.
It was like super
Not the way we wanted to end X-Mod.
not the way we wanted to end our last day.
Hi! This is our last day.
Last day.
Last regular day.
We messed up.
Last day.
Bye, first year.
Super.
Hello guys.
Hi.
Say hi Rio. Ano yan?
Bro,
Oh my God,
camera.
Yeah!
That's yours?
Yeah!
Ang tagal na niyan.
Bro, it's been like
My best friend.
Parang long-term boyfriend na ano, like, wala na parang
last day.
Hi guys. It's been a while.
It's been a while.
Rio is real talking set about relationships.
wala nga.
Wait, so bakit
She's real talking him.
Parang default of it na.
Bro's doing the Alden pose, bro. I can't.
Look at them guys. Hindi na sila natapos.
that's the vibe. Yeah.
Hindi na sila natapos.
Actually, yeah. Oh yeah. That's it, bro. That's it. Yeah. I like that. Type shit.
Oh, mag-aalda na naman siya. Mag-aalda.
No! Not for the camera.